Understanding vacation rental, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase vacation rental. This is a common term in English, especially when planning travels or holidays. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. A vacation rental refers to a temporary accommodation that travelers can rent for a short period, typically for holidays or vacations. Unlike hotels, vacation rentals are usually private properties like houses, apartments, or villas. They offer a more personalized and home-like experience. Vacation rentals often come with fully equipped kitchens, living spaces, and multiple bedrooms, making them ideal for families or groups. They provide more privacy and space than traditional hotel rooms. Plus, they often offer a unique local experience. Booking a vacation rental is usually done online through various websites and platforms. It's important to read reviews, understand the rental agreement, and communicate with the host for any questions or clarifications. Pros: more space and privacy, often more cost-effective for groups. Access to kitchen and laundry facilities. Cons: less predictable than hotels, varying levels of quality and service. Usually no daily housekeeping or room service. Research thoroughly before booking. Communicate clearly with the host. Respect the property and neighborhood rules. I hope this video helps you understand what a vacation rental is and how it can be a great option for your next holiday. Happy traveling and enjoy the comfort and uniqueness of vacation rentals.